Vocabulary: father, Tom, bull, deer, rooster, dog, tiger, horse, sheep, rabbit, lion, mother, queen, cow, doe, hen, bitch, tigress, mare, ewe, doe, lioness, baby, kitten, calf, fawn, chick, puppy, cub, foal, lamb, kit, cub,